Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Elsa Speak application. So first of all, you need to create your account, then you have to choose your AI tutor, then you'll get here couple of options like daily practice, courses, role play, pronunciation skills, and talk to AI course. So you can choose anyone among them. So if you want to talk with AI, your tutor, then tap the last one, daily practice. I'm just going to tap here, daily practice. Then you can see here like lesson 1, dream jobs, what do you want? So I just you can see here 4 option, like you can listen, this is the listen things, and this is you can see skills inventory, you have to speak, pronunciation, conversation, to choose it. Then you can see here this is listening practice, see, she. So you can see here the tool introduce
job,
so you can save it. So actually this way you can learn this thing, this is the game, or you can also add other